dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Fasten your seatbelts, and away we go. Oh, well, on with the show. Guess who?
Friends and neighbors, welcome to Dinky Stadium. Today we're going to see the final game of the Kiddie League World Series between the Woody Woodpeckers and the Bubblegummers.
That's my boy.
Oh? Nice-looking boy. That there's my boy, Chester.
Cute little fella. Looks strong.
What a friendly feeling of good sportsmanship prevails here this afternoon. The managers and umpires are out there now discussing the rules of the game. Play ball. Oopsie daisy. The pitcher's waiting for the signal, and here it comes. Steve White. Now you behave, or you will be asked to leave the premises. You're out. Next batter up is Chester.
Come on, Chester. Home run, Sonny. Attaboy, Chester. Run, run. Oh, come on, Chester. Slide, Chester, slide! He made it!
Foul ball.
That was a fair ball, you stupid!
Well, it was kind of fair. That's right, Sonny. You're out. Who's out? You're out, Shorty. And now, as we go into the second half of the first inning, the leading batter is Woody Woodpecker. Oh, that's so hard. I'll give him my slow ball. Would you like to go home and come back a little later?
Nah, I think I'll wait it out.
So, how's the family?
Fine. And
And yours?
Fine. I think that's your ball coming now.
Oh, so it is. Excuse me?
Sure.
If at first you don't succeed, cheat, I always say.
Safe at home. And so we go into the ninth inning. The Woodpeckers leading 1-0.
I got it. Oh, I forgot my glove.
Foul ball.
Sure, it was foul.
Fair! And so ends another friendly game to promote neighborly love, sportsmanship,